Alright guys, welcome back, and today I am going to be showing you how to plant potatoes from seed potatoes and how to get the most out of your harvest so that you are not wasting your time and you are getting the most vegetables you can get. So why do you plant from a seed potato? Well, you plant from a seed potato because some of the store-bought potatoes could have been irradiated, so look for organic potatoes. Look for ones, the bags of potatoes, organic, so that they're not irradiated. So this seed potato will bring you 6 to 8 great potatoes within just a few months of waiting. Alright, so if you want your potatoes year-round, you should try to plant in the spring and the fall. So the springtime would be around April and fall would be around November. Using this method, you can get potatoes year-round, and it's a great method. So here I am in the garden. So you need to take your potato and give it a very generous watering, because it's a really big seed, and the bigger the seed, generally, the more water it needs. So give it, I'd say, a liter per potato, and that would be more than enough to help it survive. And remember, since potatoes are lower in the ground, less water will reach them. And, you know, since it's planted 3 to 4 inches deep, that means that you need to give them a lot of water in order for them to actually get any water at all. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Your germination time will be about 3 weeks, so don't be too nervous if you don't see anything for the first week or so, because it might not be coming out that early. You know what I mean? So when you get your harvest in, you will, just be patient, you will get quite a few potatoes, and you really just should leave about like a 10% or 15% behind of your potatoes to replant next year, so that you do not have to get any more seed potatoes and you can keep up a sustainable farm. What you do need to do though is you should probably rotate your crops between potatoes and beans to keep nitrogen in, and you should use some sort of bone meal fertilizer, since potatoes are a root crop and they do use a lot of phosphorus and trace minerals that beans will not be able to replenish the soil with. Alright guys, so get out there and plant your own homegrown potatoes all year long. So good luck.